morning, guys. It's Monday and I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. Yesterday we got home in the afternoon from camping, so I did not have time to go to the grocery store and the fridge was looking pretty scarce. So I actually had to throw together a salad today using pretty much literally like everything we had left because I have no bread. I have one wrap. I have no lunch meat, so I decided to go with a salad, which is fine because he loves them. It's going to be hot today, so these are refreshing. This is a bed of iceberg and romaine, chopped up fine, and then again, it's like a kitchen sink salad. I put olives and cucumber and broccoli, chickpeas, some pepperoni, some cheese. I even have celery in there. I have sugar snap peas. They're kind of hiding sunflower seeds. I don't know if I forgot anything, but pretty much everything that I had left to use up. There is some ranch dressing here tucked in the corner, a Gatorade Flow and kiwi strawberry, a raspberry tea, of course, as always, the water cooler, and then a little bag of these Doritos, an apple cinnamon bar, and then a chocolate chip bar, because I'm headed to the grocery store. So hopefully lunches will be looking a little bit better the rest of the week. But anyways, this is lunch today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's cooler. Today he's getting a pomegranate pure leaf tea, a Gatorade G2, the lower sugar in the grape. The sandwich, which you guys saw me make, is on this Pepperidge Farm rye and pumpernickel deli swirl. I've loved this bread for a long time, and actually Matt and I's favorite type of bread is rye bread. So this has buffalo chicken, romaine lettuce, some sharp cheddar, and then some of the Terrapin Ridge Farms everything aioli. I actually have a giveaway going. This is probably the last couple days that it's open, so if you have not entered, go ahead and enter that, because they are giving away all of their new products, including the everything aioli, which is so good. So that's the sandwich. I actually cut up, I have it out, so I'll just show you some fruit last night. I cut up a cantaloupe and a whole bunch of cherries. These are so good. I could eat this whole bowl. So I gave Matt a portion of cantaloupe and cherries. These chips here, so good. They're the Cape Cod Waves in the white cheddar sour cream. They're really, really good. So sandwich, chips, the fruit, and then I gave him a Cracker Barrel jalapeno cheese stick. So this is his lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's cooler. Today I'm giving him a mint pure leaf iced tea, a kiwi strawberry Gatorade Flow, and of course, as always, the water cooler. The wrap here is pretty much almost the same sandwich as yesterday, but on a wrap. So this is the sun-dried tomato basil wrap, and then it has the buffalo chicken, the everything aioli, some romaine, and instead of cheddar cheese, it has Swiss cheese. So again, almost the same sandwich, but in a wrap form. Some fresh cut up fruit. I've got a little cantaloupe on the bottom, some sliced up red cherries or black cherries, and then some kiwi, a whole kiwi, one of these Volpe Rotini mozzarella prosciutto sticks, and then some of the Nutella and breadsticks to go pack. And this is his lunch today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday, and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I decided instead of a sandwich or a salad, I would do like a bento box style lunch in one of our Yum boxes. So for drinks, I'm giving Matt a Title Punch, a Arnold Palmer half and half, and of course, as always, the water cooler. In this is the 6 compartment Yum box. By the way, I still have a discount code on these. through the end of this month, and then it will be gone, and these are not cheap. Also, this is the time of year when they start to sell out because of back to school. Some might already be sold out in some of the more popular styles. So just an FYI, I know there's always people looking for these, so if you are looking to get one, you can use my code GradysMom at checkout on their website, which is yumboxlunch.com, for 20% off any regular priced item. As always, I will have the information for that in the description box below. But anyways, this lunch box today has carrots and celery. I really piled them up, and I'm giving him a little side of ranch on the side. I've got 3 halved hard-boiled eggs in here with some Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning. We had some leftover chicken thigh, boneless, skinless chicken thigh. So I actually just cut it up into strips. It's nice and marinated and seasoned, so it's really tasty. And here for some protein, I stuffed a few black olives in here. I've got some crackers and pepperoni in here, and then I've got some fruit in the back. I've got some kiwi and cut up cherry. So it's kind of a nice little variety of textures and tastes, so I think he's really going to enjoy that. And then again, the ranch, a little thing of Pringles, and then a little granola bar for like a morning snack. Didn't go really heavy on the snacks because this is a pretty hearty main lunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's lunch, and we'll see you tomorrow on Friday. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. We made it to the end of the week. Today I'm giving Matt a raspberry tea Snapple, one of the grape G2 lower sugar Gatorades, and then I actually made a little salad this morning. Last night my son had chicken nuggets, and I actually made extra on purpose because if you've ever had a salad with like chicken tenders on it, it's really good, and this is pretty much the same thing except chicken nuggets. So again, just made extra chicken nuggets last night with my son's dinner, cut them up when they cooled, and then I put them on a bed of romaine with some cucumber from my mom's garden, some tomatoes, some radish from my mom's garden, and there's a bunch of different stuff in here, some parm cheese, and then I actually put some Italian dressing in here in this little container for him to have for lunch. The last of the fruit, so I cut up all the fruit Sunday night, I believe, and we got the whole week out of it for both Matt's lunches, myself to snack on. My son ate some, so I'm going to start doing that and getting more fruit, and then Sunday night cutting it all up and prepping it so I have it ready to go for the week. So cantaloupe and cherries, one of these Cracker Barrel sharp cheddar cheese dipper pretzel things, and then a Jif strawberry peanut butter and jelly little granola bar thing. And of course 2 forks. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the lunches for the week. If you enjoy these lunch videos and would like me to continue them, please share this video. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next one.